Are you bored of regular gujiyas every single Holi? Same shape, same color, same look every year? What if I told you we can turn this traditional sweet into something bright, festive? This year we are adding pink, green, yellow and purple, all made from natural ingredients. Let's make rainbow gujiyas. Start with 2 cups of maida, pinch of salt and 4 tablespoons of warm ghee. Rub it gently between your palms until it looks like breadcrumbs. Now slowly add milk and bring it together into a firm dough. Divide it into 4 equal portions. For that beautiful holy vibe, we are using natural colors. Pink from fresh beetroot juice, green from blanched spinach puree, and vibrant yellow from turmeric mixed in warm milk. Also, don't forget the stunning purple from butterfly pea flower infusion. Knead each color gently into the dough until you get soft pastel shades. Use your creativity to introduce the color into the dough. You can mix the colors or else keep them separate. Cover and let the dough rest for 20 minutes. For the classic filling, mix the lightly roasted grated khoya with desiccated coconut, powdered sugar, chopped nuts, raisin and cardamom. Roll each colored dough into small discs. Add a teaspoon of filling in the center, fold it into a half moon and seal the edges tightly. Use a fork or traditional crimping style. The prettier, the better. You can either bake them or fry them. Before baking, apply some ghee and bake it at the given temperature. Now for frying, heat ghee on low to medium flame. Test with a tiny piece of dough. At the beginning, the dough should rise slowly as shown here. Now gently slide in your rainbow gujiyas and fry them slowly. Remember, low flame is key for that perfect crisp and flaky texture. Flip carefully and cook until golden and beautifully blistered all over. Remove them and place them on a paper napkin to remove the excess oil. You can experiment with the shapes, colors, and the fillings. For extra festive magic, dip them lightly in saffron sugar syrup and sprinkle pistachios or rose petals. And that's how you turn a classic into a colorful celebration. Wish you a very happy Holi.